So if you check my screen, you realize that I was able to get over 1,000 subscribers within a space of just 14 days. Yes. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So basically what you're going to do in this video is that you will go to YouTube Studio and also you go to a certain website on Google, right? And then it's going to help us to get lots of subscribers on YouTube, right? Now, before we get into this tutorial, this is what you need to understand. See, when you want to get subscribers on YouTube, okay, there is a basic principle and a basic rule that you need to understand. And the rule is that you need to make videos that people want to watch. This is because that video will make people subscribe to your channel. And the question here is that how do you know the video that someone wants to watch? And that is where these two tricks come in. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, okay? We are going to steal. Yes, I repeat, we are going to steal, okay? I am the best thief on YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly. So if this is something fun, interesting, do what, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let's get onto my laptop screen. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your YouTube studio, right? Yeah, so as I said, it's going to be a two-step process, okay? The first stage, you come to YouTube studio, and then we will continue with the second stage where we go to Google and you go to a certain website, right? So you come to YouTube Studio, and then in YouTube Studio, you come to this section here, Analytics, okay? So you click on Analytics, right? Once you click on Analytics, the next thing you want to do is to come to Audience, okay? So you click on Audience. Now, once you click on Audience, you scroll a little bit down, you're going to see something here. Channels your audience watches. Let me zoom it a little bit for you to see. So as you can see, channels your audience watches. Okay, so you can see that there are a couple of channels here. I can click here. I'm gonna see more channels here. I'll click here again. I'm gonna see more channels here. So you see, I have a lot of channels here that my audience are actually watching. So this means that these are channels that my audience have subscribed to. These are channels that my audience are watching their videos. And why is YouTube actually showing me this channel? YouTube wants me to know that my people have subscribed to these people because they love their content, they are interested in their content. So in the YouTube is telling me this. What does it tell me? This is telling me that I should be able to make videos that these guys are also making, or I should learn from these guys if I want to get more subscribers. Okay, now if you check here, this is vidIQ. They have 2.2 million. They are my competitors and my audience are watching them. You understand? It means that we have subscribed to their channel. So if I want subscribers, I have to learn from vidIQ. Tech Informant is here, 43k subscribers. You get me? So most of the channels here, you can see that their subscriber counts are more than mine. You can see Robert Benjamin at 800k subscribers. Subscriber count is more than me. You get me? So if I want to get subscribers from YouTube, I'll come here, look at these channels and learn from there. And I'll show you how to learn from them right now. Okay, I have Odita, 1.5 million. I have Sonia, it's in 9k subscribers. So all these channels are bigger than me and they are having more subscribers than me. Okay, so if I want to get a portion of their subscribers, what do? I have to learn from them. And to learn from them, the next thing you need to do is to scroll a little bit down, okay, and come to this section here that says what your audience watches. Okay, so now what your audience watches means is that when your viewers come to YouTube and they go to watch videos, these are the kind of videos they watch. Okay, so this is, last 7 days, right? So in the last 7 days, these are the videos that my audience are, watching on YouTube. So what it means is that if I am able to pick one of these titles and recreate the video or make a similar video, I'm definitely going to get views on YouTube and I will definitely get subscribers as well, because the reason YouTube is showing you this data here is that it is just telling you that people have watched this video. As you can see, this video, YouTube removed 50 plus videos. This video is having 95k, which means that people actually watched this video, they were interested in the video and they subscribed to this channel. You get me? So why don't I also make a similar video like this with same title or a similar title, so that I also get lots of views and get a portion of their subscribers as well? You get me? So as I said, we are going to steal their subscribers. You get me? And that will be in the second part where we go to Google. I'll show you how to steal their subscribers. Okay, So now that you found the videos, okay, so let me click here. We're going to find more videos here. So if I tap here, I'm going to see more videos here. So you see something, look at something here. This lady, Chiamaka Okol, made a video about YouTube is deleting channels fast. Do this before it's too late, okay? And this lady also here, Bonita, also made a video. YouTube removed 50 plus videos. You get me? So you see that these two videos are similar. This one and this one are similar. You understand? Let me show you another one also. YouTube finally paid me, right? And this one, YouTube just paid me. You can see that these videos are similar. So it simply means that if I'm able to make videos on these topics, I will also get views, and those views will bring me subscribers. Very, very simple. Okay. So now, once you've chosen a topic from this site, what you have to do next, if you want to get subscribers, is that you need to go to this website. Come to Google, right, and search for YouTube comment extractor. Okay, search for YouTube comment extractor. As I said, we are going to steal subscribers. You get me? So just follow me, right? So YouTube comment extractor. So once you search for it, you're gonna look. There are a couple of websites here that you can use it to extract comment, but this is what I use and it worked for me. This particular one. It is called Outscraper. Okay, so you can pause this video and then take a look at it very well. Yes, it is called Outscraper. So once you come to Outscraper, you just click on it. Okay. Yes, so once you click on it and open this interface, you are going to see. So basically, what you are going to do here is that we are going to copy, our competitors' link here, right? And then it will generate all the comments in their videos, right? And what are we going to use the comment for? We are going to read the comments, right? And then find out the questions that people are actually asking. Okay, now, if people ask questions in our comment section, it means that they did not, get a full understanding of whatever the YouTuber said. Okay, the YouTuber actually explained well, right, but they didn't get a full understand. That's why they asked a question. Okay, so let me show you something. So let me use my own video as an example, right? So this is a video I made about getting 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. Okay, so if you come here, you see that there are a lot of comments here. You get me? But if you try to come here and read all the comments to find out the questions, it's going to be very stressful. Okay, so that is why this website is actually going to make the job very simple for you. Okay, let me quickly show you how to do it, right? So all you have to do is, after you've chosen your competitors video, okay, you just copy their link. Okay, so you just come here, you click on share, and then you copy their link. Okay, or you can also come to this side here, you click on any of the videos here, right? There are a lot of videos here. Click on any of your competitors video, and then it takes you to YouTube, and then you copy their link, right? All right, so once I've copied the link, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to the website. Okay, now when you go back to the website, you have to sign up. Okay, yes, it is very easy to sign up. So you click on try for free tier. Okay, great. So once you sign up, it will bring you to this interface which says YouTube comment scrapper. What we're going to do is that we're going to paste our link that we copied here. So I'll just click on Ctrl V, and then I'll paste my link here. You can do this on mobile phone. Okay, and then you can select the number of comments you want. Okay, if you want to get more comments, you have to pay for it. Okay, but because we want free, I'll just choose 100. Okay, so once I input my link here, and I enter my value here, let me say 100, right? What I have to do next is to click here, get data. Okay, so click on get data. So once you click on get data, as you can see, it is being generated. Okay, so as you can see, $0. I'm not paying any money for it. Okay, yeah, so just click on confirm. So once we click on confirm, you allow it to load. Okay, so this is it. to see the progress, navigate to tax page. Okay, so let me click on this side here and go to the tax page. So at the tax page, you can see that it is still in progress here. You get me? And you can also see that there are a couple of comments that have been able to, generate. Okay, so it means that this is something that I have been trying, I've been using. Okay, I've tested it, so I know how it works. Okay, so let me use this one as an example. Okay, so once your comment has been generated, all you have to do is to click here. Okay, this one here, and then download the comments. Okay, so as you can see, my comment is downloading. You can see it is downloading. So once it's finished downloading, I'll just click on it to open. It has come to my file manager, so I'm gonna open it. So this is amazing, guys. I hope you can see I've been able to extract comments from this particular video. So just look at it, see the comment. So it makes the work so easy. If you want to recreate the video and answer questions that people were asking in the comment section, using this method is very cool, because here you're going to see all the questions that people were asking. Okay, and you are going to answer them in your video, and they'll subscribe to your channel. People subscribe to channels for a purpose. When you solve their problem, when you do something they like, when you do something they are interested in. Okay, so let's see if you're gonna find a question here. Okay, so so look at something here. Please, why is my video not getting views, only my shorts? You understand? So someone is asking a question here. Okay, so you can simply answer this particular question in your YouTube video. You get me? Or you can even make a full video about this particular question. You understand? For instance, if your YouTube shorts get low views, do this now. You've got a video idea from here, and you are definitely going to get subscribers, because this is coming straight from comment section. You get me? Let me look for more. Look at something. Great tip, but what impact will this have on your CTR and engagement? For doing this, that's educate viewers. Okay, yeah, so this person is trying to ask that the tip I showed in the video, what impact will it have on the CTR and the engagement? Okay, so once you've seen something like it, if you are recreating the video, all you have to do is to answer this particular question. Okay, and you're going to get a subscriber from there. Okay, let me see if I'll get more questions. So look at something here. What if I use AI generated image for this? Is that safe? You understand? So once you recreate the video, you make sure you answer these questions. Okay, so if you're able to answer these questions, your video will definitely be better than mine. You get me? Because you have been able to answer questions, you get more subscribers, and the more subscribers you get, YouTube will actually push the video more and more. So guys, basically this is it. Very, very simple. So it will help you to make good videos. It will help you to get more ideas. So if you're one of those people who even find it difficult to get ideas on YouTube, just use this method. These are some of the little things I'm even teaching you. Okay, there are other things that are actually bigger than this, and to be frank, there are certain things that I cannot mention them on this particular YouTube shoot, because if I do them, YouTube may demonetize my channel or may even remove my channel from YouTube. Okay, so there's not everything that I can even share with you here. Okay, and this is why you need to join my YouTube coaching. Okay, when you join my YouTube coaching, I'm going to help you to do some of these things, right? If you want to join my coaching, or if you want me to coach you, you can check the description of this video and then contact me via my email. But by the way, it is a paid coaching. Okay, not a free coaching. It is a paid coaching. Okay, so when you are testing me, make sure that you are aware. If your problem is watch hours, I want you to watch this video right here, and it's really going to help you to get a lot of watch hours on YouTube. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince. Do what to like this video, and also subscribe to this channel. See you another time.